In this video I'm going to show you how to treat toenail fungus with apple cider vinegar. This is a very fast and cheap cure. Toenail fungus can be embarrassing and a persistent problem. Many of the over-the-counter medication used to treat it is harsh and often ineffective, and prescription medications can have strong side effects. This is why many sufferers of toenail fungus seek a more natural and more effective treatment. One such treatment is apple cider vinegar. It is natural, it has limited side effects, and is much less expensive than the over-the-counter and prescription remedies. So let's take a look at the symptoms of toenail fungus. If you have toenail fungus, your nail will become thickened, brittle, crumbly or ragged. The nail becomes distorted in shape, dull looking, and there can be a darkening of the colour of the toenail. There can also be separation of the nail from the nail bed if the infection is severe enough. In addition, there may be some pain associated with the infection. Finally, there might be a foul odour. An infected toenail can display some of these symptoms. An early infection can show up as a small white or yellow spot on the tip of the nail. There are several causes of toenail infection. It can be caused by abnormal pH of the skin, which can happen because of poor hygiene, a bad immune system, exposure to high levels of moisture and poor circulation. So why does apple cider vinegar work? When a toenail fungus infection occurs, the pH of the surrounding skin and nail becomes more basic or alkaline in nature. The fungus thrives in an alkaline environment. If the pH of the area turns from basic to more acidic, the fungus cannot survive. This is where apple cider vinegar becomes useful. The vinegar is acidic, but still mild enough not to damage the surrounding skin and nail. So let's look on how to apply it. One of the more common ways to use apple cider vinegar as a toenail fungus treatment is to use a foot bath. You will need to dilute the vinegar to 1 part vinegar and 1 part water. There should be enough fluid in the basin to cover the toes completely. Use warm water if you prefer. Soak your feet for about 30 minutes at least once a day, but no more than 3 times per day. Whilst the smoke does smell strong, the odour will go after the vinegar dries on your feet. You can also use essential oils to change the scent slightly. Dry the feet completely after removing them from the water, and this will start the process of curing your toenail fungus. So how do you use apple cider vinegar if you don't like the soak-in method? Well, some people don't have time to take a 2 or 3 30-minute foot bath a day. Another way to get the effects of the vinegar is to apply 2 drops of apple cider vinegar directly to the nail bed. Allow the vinegar to sit on the nail bed for several minutes before disturbing it, or the desired effect might not be achieved. This should be done at least twice a day. This method can be used in conjunction with the foot bath. So how long should you apply this treatment? These treatments should be continued until all the fungus associated nail has grown out and has been removed. Once a healthy nail has replaced the deceased nail, it is unlikely that any infection will remain. This could take a couple of months or more because toenails grow slowly. The fungal nail should be clipped regularly and kept clean and dry. It's important that the toenails are dried thoroughly after the treatments because fungi love moist, warm, dark environments. Because every person's toenails grow at a different rate, the final length of treatment will vary on person to person. There is a slight caution. People who have diabetes or other systematic disease that affects the blood flow to the feet should exercise caution when trying to treat diseases on the foot. These diseases can cause the person to heal more slowly and become more susceptible to infection if a wound occurs on the foot. Therefore, you should always speak to your doctor first. Vinegar is an inexpensive and easy to find remedy for a variety of foot ailments. Not to mention, soaking your feet after a long day can be quite relaxing. I hope you've enjoyed this video on how to cure toenail fungus with apple cider vinegar. If you have, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to treat toenail fungus with Vicks Vapor Rub. Thanks for watching and bye for now.